Hello viewers, welcome to Bikini channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you crochet bikini designs, the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to bell icon, so friends you can very beautiful and amazing designs people in the, if you like today video and share it with today friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep well sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how well, like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet lovers. Now how to do the work yourself. If you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone on LC, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in the video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care, God bless you.